We're live and getting ready for what should be another great NFL matchup. We're just about ready to kick off another.
You have called tails. Is that correct? Oakland has won the toss. Who will choose to receive? Good luck, man.
Well, the teams are out on the field, crowd in full throat as we get this new season started with the kickoff. He kicks it off. Kirby will try to bring this one back. The Raiders will start the drive from the 29. First and 10. Ball on their own 29. Set. Dropping back. Gannon rolls out to his left with the pass. Great catch. Picked up 10 yards. The quarterback lines up with two backs behind him. Dropping back, throws over to his right. He finds his man. He can't wrap him up. Springs makes the tackle at the 41-yard line. So they're almost within their kicker's range. They'll go from the I formation. He's looking to pass. Looking for a receiver. He goes to the left side. He hits his receiver. And he's tackled at the 14. First and 10. Ball on the 14-yard line. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking for an option. And they keep it on the ground for the score.
Heck, he might be trying to convince the coach that he should be a starting running back, too.
And it's up. The point after is good. And so they turn that drive into a great one as it ends with a touchdown.
Hey, these guys deserve to feel good about it. Now it's the defense's turn to come out and do its job.
And with that score, they're up by a touchdown. Janikowski will be kicking off. He gets the kick away. Williams is heading upfield.
This is where you want to be able to respond. But you also don't want to panic because it's only the first quarter.
First and 10. He's looking to pass. Surveying the field. Jackson was the intended receiver. He waited just a little too long to get rid of that pass.
I'm not surprised that that pass went incomplete. I don't think he could even see past that big old defensive lineman rushing him.
The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Stevens, the motion man. Quick drop. Tosses it right. Williams just couldn't find a way to come up with that. Romanowski got his hand in there to knock it down.
If you don't take your time and you start to rush your throw, that's what you're going to see happen.
Third and 10 coming up. Back to pass. Dilfer passes it right, and he fails to hang on to that, and he's unable to make the catch on third down.
And that's really frustrating for a guy when he knows he could have kept the drive going, but he just couldn't hang on to the pass.
It's 4th down and 10 yards to go. Ball on their own 19. Number 31 is back to receive this kick. 31 will head upfield with this punt. The offense with a lot of success through the air on the last drive as they move downfield for the touchdown. The ball is right at midfield.
Set.
Looking to throw. Looking downfield. Gannon can't escape and is brought down. Four-man front this time. He surveys the field. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 49. He made the play with his feet rather than his arm there.
It's just so frustrating as a defense when a quarterback takes off and makes a play, because that's just one more thing you have to defend against.
Looking downfield. Throwing. Williams was the intended target on that pass attempt. Good play on the defender to get in there and disrupt the pass.
I'm not sure how they got through, but the defense really wanted the quarterback.
Ball at about midfield. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Drops back. Surveying the field. Now I've got the question going for it so early in the game. John, what do you think?
I don't know. I wouldn't do it. That's why you have special teams and defenses, so you don't have to worry about giving the ball right back on fourth down.
1st and 10. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking to throw. Passing to his left. And it's complete. James makes the stop at the 26. He rifled it out there.
That guy's always had a great arm. That's something you can't teach.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 26-yard line. Four-man front this time. Stevens moves in motion. Looking downfield. Throws it. And he dropped it. He tried to fire that one in there.
If he throws it any harder, the skin might come off the ball.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Looking to pass. Passing to his left. Robinson couldn't make the catch, so he can't get it to him.
It almost looked like he might have been trying to throw it to someone else.
3rd and long. Looking to pass. Looking for an option. Dilfer passes to his right. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted. The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. So that touchdown drive took them no time at all as they were able to get the yardage they needed with little resistance by the defense.
Hey, I guess they figured, who needs ball control? And as long as you're getting touchdowns, it really doesn't matter if it takes a long time or no time at all.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 is looking to pick up some blocking. The Raiders take over on offense at the 22-yard line. At the end of the first quarter, we're all even. Oakland, 7. Seattle, 7. So they have 1st and 10 here. Gannon sets up. Looking to turn it upfield. He's looking upfield. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 20-yard line. He tried to find something off the edge, John, but there wasn't anything there.
Yeah, but there was no corner to turn. He's looking for the corner. They just never got there.
Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Stepping up, he surveys the field. Throws it. It's batted away. Simmons batted that pass down.
He tried to guide it in there, but it didn't work.
They'll be faced with a long third down play here. Ball on their own 20. Back to pass. Throws over to his right. Brown was the intended target on that pass attempt. Springs broke that pass out.
Yep, nothing fancy there. Don't even give the receiver a chance. Just knock it down.
They'll go with a pass. Surveying the field. And he's brought down at the 13.
Number 97. Loss of 7 yards on the play.
It's 1st and 10.
Somebody get over there. Get over there. Big play, D. Big play.
4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Drops back with the throw. And it's caught. Dixon makes the tackle at the 3-yard line. The quarterback showed you his great arm on that pass.
Not only does this guy have a strong arm, but his quick release makes him very tough to sack.
Hey, hey, hey. Set. Come back. Come back. Watch the middle. Cut back. Cut back. Cut back. Cut back.
Dilfer passing to the right. Hits the target with the pass. And he slings it in there for the touchdown.
He sure did. The quarterback knew exactly where he was going to be and threw the ball right on target.
Another touchdown pass gives him 2 in the game. And it's on its way, and he tacks on the extra point. And so they're able to move the ball a distance and punch it into the end zone.
They did everything they had to on that one. And the end result is a trip across the goal line and a TD on the board.
Fiegels looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He sends it off. Number 31 will return this one. Very exciting contest.
And both defenses are doing just enough to keep the other team from breaking this one open.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 25.
Switch.
4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Looking downfield. Randall gets the sack.
And you have to give credit to the coverage.
He reached the quarterback and picked up his first sack of the game. Garner, the lone back. He's going to throw. Looking for a receiver. Tosses it right. And he's tackled at the 31.
Holding number 63. Offense.
The coach clearly wants him to protect the ball here.
And that's because the defense wants to strip the ball. So if he's trying to stiff arm one guy and then another guy comes over and swipes at it, there's a good chance it'll pop out. And let me tell you, you don't want to turn it over right here and give him an easy chance of getting points before halftime.
He's going to throw. Rolling left. Looking downfield. Passing right. He hits his receiver. Gain of 7.
Timeout. All by the defense. They have 2 timeouts remaining.
So it's now 3rd down, and you'd expect a run here.
The defense needs to make sure that they wrap him up and don't allow him to get a first. Their offense wants to get out of here and see if they can get some points with this amount of time left.
He's looking to pass. Gannon rolls left, passing right. Williams could make the catch. He was under intense pressure.
And I'll tell you, the toughest thing to do as a quarterback is to throw it accurately when there's a big old defensive player in your face.
Time for a punt here as it's now 4th down. They'll go with a pass. Gannon with the throw, and it's caught. And he stopped at the 38-yard line.
For a gain of 20 yards.
1st and 10. Ball on their own 38. Garner, the deep back. Dropping back. He's looking with the pass. And he makes the grab. And he's brought down at the 40. first and 10. They'll go with a pass. Gannon passing to the middle of the field. Knocked down. It looks as if he got a hand on that pass.
Yeah, you can tell by the way that thing just popped up there for grabs. There's only one way that they're going to be able to do something about this score. Keep throwing and getting out of bounds.
So it's second and 10. Ball on the 40-yard line. And this is the 6th play of this drive. Looking to turn it upfield. Simmons makes the tackle at the 40-yard line. Garner was dropped before he could get back to the line.
Yeah, you can't run without good blocking.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long third down situation. They'll go with a pass. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 47-yard line. Simmons makes the stop at midfield. So that tackle was his 3rd. And they'll get ready to punt it away as we near the end of the half. Ball right around midfield. And since we're under the 2-minute mark, the replay booth has the power to review any play in question. It looks as though that's what's happening here.
After reviewing the play, the ruling on the field is overturned.
It was unclear initially why they called for a review, but now we understand the reason.
Yeah, it's important to get the calls right at this point of the game. The coverage team needs to play more disciplined on this punt, because you don't want to give the other team any momentum going into the half. They have to stay in their lanes.
It's 4th down and 15 yards to go. That's the end of the second quarter with the score. Seattle 14. Oakland 7. Back to the game. Here are the halftime stats as we get set for the second half kickoff. Shanakowski is just about ready to kick this one away.
Number 29, deep to receive.
He kicks it off. Fuller fields it cleanly. John, he's hurt. We'll get an update from Melissa as soon as the extent of the injury is known. First and 10. Four linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Evans looking for a seam. He might have gotten a yard or 2.
That guy got knocked around by that defense. He needs a little protection from his linemen.
About 8 yards. Ball on their own 23.
One back. Watch the middle.
Quick drop. Gets rid of it. Nice completion. Harris stops him at the 47-yard line. A display of good concentration by the receiver.
If he can make catches like that regularly, he can expect to see more passes thrown in his direction.
So they have first and 10 here.
Over there.
Back to pass. Passing right. He finds his man. And he's brought down at the 35. That pass was right on the money, and the receiver was there to make the catch for his first reception. It's first and 10. Ball on the 35-yard line. Passing right. He hits his receiver. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 24-yard line. So they have first and 10 here.
Roger, man. Get into it. Roger.
He's going to throw. Number 8 passing to the left. Hits the target with the pass. It helps to have soft hands to bring in a hard throw like that one.
What a throw. He put everything he had into that one.
Melissa, what's up?
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is doubtful.
Melissa, thanks for the update, and obviously we're very happy that it's not that serious. Pickup of about 5. So it's second and goal. Ball is 2.5 yards out. with the run. So he puts his head down and punches it in for the score.
Yeah, he knew where he wanted to go, and he got there.
And it's up, and he tacks on the extra point. And so we see this offense getting it done on that long touchdown drive.
Can't argue with the result. And a touchdown was the result that they were looking for. This offense can put it together.
Fiegel in to kick this one off. He gets the kick away. Kirby is looking for a nice return. Breaks the tackle. Well, he's shaken up after that play, and we'll get you a report from the sideline when we get the information. All right, 1st and 10. Ball on their own 22. Looking downfield. He's looking, passing right. Nice connection. Simmons is starting to make his presence felt out there. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 40. Four-man front this time. He's going to throw. Stepping up, passing to his right. Great catch. And he's tackled at the 34-yard line. Brown went up and got that ball, catching it for the first down.
You know, a lot of these guys played basketball, or still play basketball, and you can really see why when you see them jump that high.
The teams are set for the 4th quarter of play. Melissa, do you have an update for us?
I was able to talk to the team doctor, Al, and he indicated that it's a minor injury. They expect that it'll take a series or 2 off, then return to the field.
Melissa, thanks for the update. Sounds like he'll be back very soon. Quick drop, looking for an option. Gannon with the pass. He finds his man. Lucas brings him down at the 6-yard line. He's starting to make his presence felt out there. So it's 1st and goal. Garner, the deep back. He's looking to pass. Gannon throwing short to the right side. Second down, goal to go. Ball on the 6-yard line. Back to pass with the throw. And the catch is made. He threw it right in there for the score.
The receiver ran a perfect route, and he turned around just in time to see the ball and make the catch.
The kick is up, and the extra point is good. And so the offense puts together a very nice touchdown drive. John, I think that drive is exactly what the offensive coordinator was looking for and hoping for.
The more touchdown drives, the better. Now they'll go back to the sidelines and see why they were able to beat the defense for 6. And they'll try and repeat those results the next time they get the ball.
He sends this one toward the end zone, trying to give them good field position. The 40.
If they can control the clock here, they can win this game.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 47-yard line. Looking for room, and he stopped at the 44. He's trying to find a hole and just got what he could.
Yeah, he tried to stretch it outside, but the defense was quick to react to the play, and even quicker to move off their blocks and get in a position to cover the holes.
2nd and 7 coming up here. Ball on the 44-yard line.
Get into it. Get into it.
2 minutes left. Second and 7 coming up here. Dilfer sets up.
Over there, over there.
gets the call. Bryant takes him down at the 38-yard line. So that play goes for about 6.
I'm guessing this should be a run. The defense can't be lollygagging around, because if they are and they give up the first, this one's over.
It's 3rd down, 2 to go. 4-man front this time. Man in motion. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 36. He gets what he needed for the first.
Yeah, this is one of those north-south type of deals. He runs straight ahead, and he gets the first down.
After reviewing the play, the ruling on the field is overturned.
It was unclear initially why they called for a review, but now we understand the reason.
Yeah, it's important to get the calls right at this point of the game.
Number 9 leads the field goal team into the game for the attempt. The long field goal attempt is on its way. Number 9 didn't appear to get all of it as the kick fell short.
Time is a factor, but I think they could still use the middle of the field.
1st and 10. Looking downfield. Gannon rolling over to his right. Simmons makes the tackle at the 39-yard line. So that tackle now gives him 4. 2nd and 15. Dropping back. Throws it. He just can't find a way to bring that one in. He got a hand on it.
Yeah, and all you have to do to make a guy miss is tip it so that the ball doesn't go where you expect it to go.
3rd and long. They don't need all of it on this play since they'll be going for it on 4th down anyway.
That's less pressure on the quarterback, so he doesn't have to force the throw. Not yet, at least.
Gannon under center. Drops back. Rolling out to his right. Throws it out over to the left. He found the ball carrier to make his 4th stop of the game. Perfect spiral on that pass.
With an arm like that, there isn't a pass that he can't make.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 36-yard line. Looking to throw. Passing right. Knocked down. That's all she wrote. The final score is Seattle 21, Oakland 14. This concludes another EA Sports presentation. For John Madden and Melissa Stark, this is Al Michaels saying so long.